OneDrive is an incredible app through Microsoft that you can download to your phone. You can see it right here. It looks like a cloud that's been crisscrossed with different values of blue. So once you get this downloaded, you can create files or folders or anything in here. Let's say that I would like to tell someone how to upload artworks to Focus, but I want to rename that something a little bit more descriptive. These three dots here will indicate a bunch of different things that you can do. You can share it, you can move it, save it, delete it, rename, or even keep it offline. Now, what I do here is I would rename it so that I can call it something else. Say, uploading artwork to Focus. Maybe that's hard to read, so I'm going to put some underscores in here. Underscores are more useful than spaces because sometimes a space will corrupt a link and make it so the computer cannot read it. Same thing with dashes or periods or anything like that. So I always use underscores to separate my words. Automatically, it changes the name here. Now, you can also add pictures very easily. So let's say that I'm going to just take a picture. Ooh, this says document, business card. Ooh, photo. Here we go. So I'm going to just take a photo. Pretending like that's my work of art. And I'm like, ooh, that doesn't look quite right. So I can crop it. Be like, no, I'd really rather you just see this section right here. Because like we have to consider when we're taking a picture of our artwork, we don't want a bunch of stuff off the edges. We want it to be just the artwork, and we also want it to be straight. Alright, so I'm going to hit done, and I can call it something else. I do not have to call it whatever it wants to be called. I can say picture. Oh wait, I'm going to actually save this as we're supposed to save them in Teams, which is last name, first initial, underscore title, underscore grade, and I'm just going to pretend like I'm in grade 6. And let's go to files. Aha! It's the files. Alright, so when I go to Summer Art Camp, here we go. I'm going to save this here. Yes, yes. Save as. Check mark. And there it is. It's right there. I can share this anywhere on Teams. In fact, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You can also go to student sharing, and I'm like, oh, I would love to post this thing. I can add a message. I can type and say, this is for my tutorial. This little paperclip right here is what we would use to find it. Here is my folder, my Summer Art Camp. And there is the picture that I have just saved. It's thinking. Uploading. It has uploaded. And then hit send. Obviously, I don't want this to be something that's actually on our student sharing page, so I am going to delete this right away. Anyway, that is how you would upload from your phone. You could use Dropbox and so forth. You could just save it to your phone and upload it that way. But OneDrive is the place where you can very easily change the name of your project so that it has the format that we need. Bye!